Before the Industrial Revolution, most people lived in rural villages, farming by hand and using simple tools. Goods were made at home or by local artisans. Life was slow, labor was physical, and change came rarely. In the late 18th century, Britain became the birthplace of industrial change. With access to coal, iron, colonial markets, and investment capital, innovation began to reshape the economy. The textile industry led the way. Inventions like the spinning jenny, water frame, and power loom allowed cloth to be produced faster and cheaper, revolutionizing mass production. Steam power transformed industry and transportation. James Watt's improved steam engine-powered factories, while steam trains and ships changed trade and travel forever. Cities grew rapidly as workers moved to factory jobs. Conditions were harsh. Long hours, low pay, child labor, and pollution were widespread. Still, the world was changing fast. Industrialization spread beyond Britain to Europe, the United States, and later to Asia. New technologies like the telegraph, electricity, and the assembly line continued to transform daily life. The Industrial Revolution changed everything: work, cities, society, and the planet. It brought progress, but also inequality and environmental damage. Its legacy shapes our world to this day.